So you're going to, are you solving question number 4, part A?
Yeah, but I just started because
Are
um,
you going to start it by elimination or by substitution?
um, first substitution maybe.
Yeah,
So I'll
because
substitute.
we don't have
I'll,
option.
sub- I'll substitute the y for 0. Is it?
No, 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 it is not like that. Okay, I'll do one question, then you try another one. So
Okay.
when he says that solve it by substitution, we do not have any other option. We have to follow this substitution method, and it is very easy to do. As its name suggests, we have to substitute one value into another one. For example, if you have y is equal to 4x plus 2 and another is y is equal to x plus 8. So what you have to do is that you have to substitute this y over here. So you can write down x plus 8 is equal to 4x plus 2. So you can take 4x onto this side because we are going to find out x. So
Oh,
all
okay.
x on one side and all the numbers on the other side. So you can have x minus 4x is equal to 2 minus 6, 2 minus 8. So we will have minus 3x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to minus 6 over minus 3 and x is equal to positive 2. Negative negative will cancel out. Okay, so this is not a complete solution. When examiner says that solve the equation, we need to find out all the variables. And in these two
Mm-hmm.
equations, we have a variable, one is x and another one is y. So therefore I will put here. Now you can put value of x in any of these equations. For example, you can put it over here 2 plus 8, so y is equal to 10. You can write down its a solution like this one, 2 and 10. This is the right way to
Mm-hmm.
write down. However, if you will write it down like this, 10 2, this will be wrong. So x will come
Okay.
first and it will be followed by y.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yes.
So which question will you do?
Can I just move on to 4b?
4b?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you tried 4b.
So I got
Mm-hmm.
um 1 negative 5.
Yeah, exactly it is. And remember that do not forget to put your values or substitute your values in the brackets because it will reduce your chances to get right answer up to a great extent.
Mm-hmm. But I just asked, how
Mhm.
come, like, when you're doing simultaneous equations and they show up on, like, a graph or parabola, um, how is it that the y value has two different equations
No,
on a parabola?
actually when we no these equations will not form parabola because
Mm-hmm.
like you can see that these contain just
Ah,
like
because they're two expressions, that's a linear.
Yeah, there are two expressions, and x has only one value, y has only one value. And when we say that we are solving two equations, in graphically we say that we are finding point of intersection of these two lines. So basically 1 and -5, it is the point of intersection of x and y. For example, if I'm pretty much sure that if let's say if this is a graph, then first equation y is equal to -2x minus 3, uh, it is like this one. It is like this one. However, another line which is you can see y is equal to x minus 4, and it is like this one. Is it minus x minus 4 no?
Mm,
Yeah, another line is minus x minus 4.
mhm.
And it would be something like this one. So this is the point of intersection. So this point is basically 1 and -5. This point.
Oh, okay.
So like when we say that solve two equations simultaneously, actually we are saying that find point of intersection. Everything has an hidden meaning.
Okay. Could I just quickly write that down?
Yeah, please.
Oh, sorry, I meant the diagram. Could I like draw the diagram first?
You want to draw the diagram?
Yeah, but did you already check it off? Could you just
Okay,
do
okay,
undo?
okay. Yeah. I see. Press Control C. Yeah. So you can say that this line was representing. Okay, this line was representing y is equal to -2x -3, and this line was representing y is equal to -x -4. Are you done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm going to erase this. Okay, so next question that you can see, uh, let's do part D, and I think I can do it over here.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yeah, sure. I can hear you.
So you see that x is equal to -7y minus 1, and x is equal to -y plus 11. So both of these contain x, right? You can put
Mm-hmm.
this is the value of x. You can put this value of x in this x, and you can write it down like this one: -y plus 11 is equal to -7y minus 1. If you bring this -7y onto this side, it will become positive. Be very careful while dealing with the signs, and this positive 11 will go onto this side and it will become -11. So you will have positive 6y is equal to -12. So divide both sides with 6, and you will have y is equal to -2, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you can say that we can have x is equal to, we can put this value of y into any equation to get value of x. For example, I'm going to put it into, you see that because this is a negative value, always put negative value inside the brackets. So minus into
Yes, but
-2.
wouldn't minus minus two just be positive two?
Yeah, exactly. So this negative and negative will become positive. It will become +2, +11, and our answer will be +13. So the solution is +13, -2. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you done with this question?
Which one?
This question 4 part D.
Question number D.
D for dolphin.
Yeah, I've done it.
Okay, so let's do another question. These are very easy. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I think you should do one of the question, either G or H.
I
So
think maybe I'll start off with G and then I'll do H as well.
no, one of them will be in the homework. So because like we are already done with this one,
Mm-hmm.
we have already done this, and now you solve this one so that in the homework you can do this, and this. Okay.
I've already
So
done B, by the way.
yeah, you have done B.
Mm-hmm.
So now you solve part H.
Okay.
Are you done?
Um, I'm a bit confused on this one.
Why? Why you're confused? Isn't it easy?
No, I think it's with the brackets. It's just a bit. Um, wait,
Because
can
of
I
this
just
fraction?
finish?
Uh,
Can I just
okay,
finish this and then could you just review over mine?
okay, yeah, sure.
Um, so I got -16 and -11.16.
What is the answer?
I got a -16 and -11.16. Can I
Okay,
show
can
you?
you?
Send
Yeah,
it.
send me the picture so that I can see it.
I think it was with the brackets I messed up.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'll go read the paragraph also.
Wait a second, I've received the message. Just wait a second. Okay, so I've received it. I think I should put it over there so that you also see if there is any mistake.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you see here. So this thing is perfectly fine. So 5x plus 13 is equal to 8x minus 5. So what you did after that, this is fine. But what you did after this?
Um,
I think you
I'm
made
just
some
doing that.
shortcut. Yeah, you made a shortcut. Actually, what you have to do is first you have to open the brackets, and then you can do anything else. Remember BOD mass.
Mm-hmm.
In BOD mass, B is the bracket. So first of all, you have to do just open the brackets. When you will do it, it will become 5x plus 13. This is equal to 6 will get multiplied with this one and it will get 48x. Then 6 times minus 5, it will become minus 30. Now take 48x over here. So it will become 5x negative 48x is equal to negative 30, negative 13. So this is negative 43x. This is negative 43. So this, no, the negative 43 was already here. And then this negative 43 will get divided because here it is getting multiply. So it will cancel out and you will get x is equal to 1. So if x is equal to 1, then we can put value of x into any equation. For example, we put value of x that was equal to 1 in here, 8 into 1 minus 5, and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3,
Mm-hmm.
right? So therefore your answer is 1, 3.
Okay, can I just copy that down so I can correct myself?
You can copy it from here. This is part H.
This might take a while.
Hmm. Can you take a screenshot so that you can do it later? Meanwhile, we will do another question.
Okay. Um, just give me sorry, 2 seconds. Can I just send it to you so I remember where it is?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Because my files is very jumbled up.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Okay. So let's do the next question. Now next questions are of different types. They are not as like they may involve one or two steps more, right? But even
Mm-hmm.
these are easier. And I doubt that examiner will ask you such question because these are also very much easier. For example, here, if I do question number 5, part A, it's very much easier. What you have to do is that y is equal to 2x and you have to put it in this y. So what you're going to do, you will start solving right from here that x plus 5 into, I told you that we should put values in the bracket. So y was equal to 2x. So y should be 2x over here. And
Mm-hmm.
this is equal to 22. It is just like we put a constant value into the expression and it will become x plus 10x is equal to 22. This is 11x is equal to 22 and x will be equal to 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
So because you have find out x, now in part A, you can put this value into any of the equation to get value of y. For me, this equation seems easier. So 2 into 2 will be equal to 4. Therefore, solution of this is 2 and 2. Oh, sorry, 2 and 4. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, sorry, I was just writing it down.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, wait a second. I- in this question, you can put y is equal to 3x into this y, right? And here, let's solve part C. Question number 5, part C. So you see that here he said x is equal to negative 2y. So we can put x is equal to negative 2y into this x. So it will become y is equal to 3 and the value of x is negative 2y. And then negative 14 will come as it is. So now it will become negative 6y, negative 14. You take
Mm-hmm.
this onto this side and it will become y plus 6y is negative 14. and 7y will be equal to negative 2, y will be equal to, sorry, it will become negative 14, and y will be equal to negative 14 over 7, and you will have minus 2 over here. Because it is minus 2, you can put into the first equation, into this one, or into this one to get value of y. For me,
Mm-hmm.
first equation seems more easier, so x is equal to minus 2 and minus 2. So therefore, x is here positive 4. So solution is positive 4, negative 2. Is it understood?
Um, yes, but I just need, can you just give me a minute to understand it properly?
Mm-hmm. I'm pasting it to create space at a side. So just a second.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you can see it now.
Yeah, I've written it down. Oh, I've written it all down.
Uh,
Do you want me to do one by myself?
yes, exactly. You should do. I think you should do. What about part G? Do part G.
Okay.
Do you know when you did a like a conversation of message has been revealed? Something that
Uh,
they were framed.
really?
Yeah, like, but still they have not been released from jail. Do they have
Mm-hmm.
only one charge or they have multiple charges?
I'm pretty sure it was multiple.
Multiple. But the case where they were accused of human trafficking.
That was
So
false. Yeah, that
yeah,
was a lie.
there was a tape in which those two girls
Mm-hmm.
they, they were texting back in London and America in respected families that they have done the job. Now they're coming back. Now they believe that we love them, something like that, right? So
Mm-hmm.
let's see. But he is very brave. Like he's giving statements like, you know, I think 2 or 3 days ago he tweeted one thing. Universe can have two fates. like like that check his confidence. The universe will have a fate. So the one is either they release me and I become most influential human being on the in present on the planet Earth, and number two is they kill me. So these were the two fates of universe. Like
Yeah.
that's even to say such thing in public, it required a lot of confidence. So it
Mm.
was
He is a bit stupid.
amazing. Yeah.
Um, sorry, I am a bit confused. Why do the one? Should I do y equals 1 minus 2x first, or 5x plus 2y first?
You see that if because you're going to substitute a value, right? So
Mm-hmm.
you need y to be the subject or x to be the subject. So examiner has already done half work for you, and in the first equation he has made y as the subject for you. So therefore you can put this value of y. This is value, but just consider it as one value and then
Mm-hmm.
put it into this y. And
Okay.
what you will get 5x. Okay, keep going.
5x plus 2, 1 minus 2x equals 0. 5x plus 2 minus 4x is 0. Um, x plus 2 equals 0. Minus 2, x equals minus 3.
Yeah, exactly. So x is equal to minus 2. And what is value of y?
Um, 1 minus 2x. 1 plus 4. 5. X equals 5. Minus 3, 5.
Sorry, what were you saying?
Um, y equals 5.
Yes, exactly. Y is equal to 5. So can you do I? Part I.
Right, so would x equals minus 1?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So would y equals 9 as well? Would what would y equal 9?
Yes, exactly. Y is equal to 9, x is equal to -1, so solution is -1 and 9. Okay, so you can also do, you should do actually, homework in here as well. And in homework, you should do the questions which I'm going to highlight in red. So this D part you have not done
Mhm.
so far, and this F. So two questions from here, actually three questions from here, and then just like part G, oh, part G and part F from here.
So can you just give me a whole review?
What did you say?
Wait, so which questions is it? Sorry,
The questions which
four,
I have,
two,
questions which I have highlighted in red color, like
four
question number
G,
4,
four F.
yeah, 4G, 4F, and 5D, 5F, 5H.
Okay.
So these are five questions in total.